A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to English class. In today's class, we will study Unit 5 verbs. First of all, we will study types of the verbs. Let's have a glance. Main verbs. Now types we are studying. Main verbs, auxiliary verbs, regular verbs, irregular verbs, transitive verbs, intransitive verbs. Then let's study the definitions. Main verb, it expresses an act. She attended class. So what she did? She attended class. So attended is main verb. Then helping verbs. It helps the main verb in the sentence. Helping verbs are was, were, is, am, are, has, have, etc. Transitive verbs needs an object to add meaning to the sentence. For example, the hunter killed a tiger. So what hunter killed? A tiger. Then intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs do not need an object to complete its meaning. In transitive verbs, an object is always needed or required, and in intransitive verbs, object is not required. The sentence completes its meaning without object. So hunter killed a tiger. So here the hunter is subject, killed is verb, and tiger is object. Then section 1. Read the following sentences taken from A2, Limits of the Mind, unit Where There Is a Will, There Is a Way, from My English Reader. Eklavya saw beautiful chariots. He saw Drona. Eklavya carved a statue of Drona. What did Eklavya see? Eklavya saw beautiful chariots. Whom did he see? He saw Drona. What did Eklavya carve? Eklavya carved a statue of Drona. Now, for living things you will use what, and for non-living things you will use what, and for living things question you will make with whom. Like Drona is a person or living being, for human being we use whom, or for other living beings we use whom for making question. But otherwise we use what for non-living things. For example, chariots non-living things, question is with what? Drona living thing, question is with whom. Same is here. Statue is non-living, so question is with what. So you learned from this that what we use for non-living, whom we use for living. Then worksheet 1. On the basis of the statements given below, answer the questions that follow. My brother broke the flower vase. The player kicked the football. Sagarika plucked the flowers. The sun gives heat and light. Rana loves cars. I eat fish. My teacher helps me. Pollution helps human beings. Pollution harms human beings. So now, what did my brother break? The flower vase. What did the player kick? The football. What did Sagarika pluck? The flowers. Means when your question is giving the answer, then it is your transitive verb. Means like what and whom. If this meaning any sentences means giving the answer of your what and whom, that is your transitive sentence or transitive verb. Means we are talking about only verbs, so transitive verb. And 3 forms of the verb we will speak now. So whom does my teacher help? Whom does pollution harm? So okay, what did my brother break? The flower vase. What did the player kick? The football. Sagarika pluck the flowers. And what does sun give? It gives heat and light. What does Rana loves? He loves stars. What do I eat? I eat fish. Whom does my teacher help? He helps me. And same it is these are. So now action words: break, broke, broken, kick, kicked, kicked, pluck, plucked, plucked, give, gave, given, love, loved, loved, eat, ate, eaten, help, helped, helped, harm, harmed, harmed. Read these sentences that are also taken from a two limits of the mind. Where there is a will, there is a way. The old man with snowy white hair came out. Action word or verb you are to underline. So verb here is came. Come, came, come. Practice ended. What ended? Practice. So ended is your verb or action. Action words or verb is the same thing. Eklavya went up to Drona with folded hands. Go, went, gone. Fold, folded, folded. You will underline the action words like came, ended, went and folded. Next, worksheet 2. Complete the following sentences using one word only. The dog barks. Mother cooks well. Mother prays well. Mother plays well. Any action word you can use. The birds fly. The bird chirps. You can use any other action word as well. The boys sit quietly. The guests came at 5 p.m. The hungry lion roars. Then worksheet 3. Now these are examples of intransitive verbs. Ramu eats very often. Sentence meaning is complete but there is no object. Receiver of the action is missing. So these type of sentences are called intransitive verbs. Eats very often. Mother cooks well. So cooks well. So it is adverb. Means telling the quality of the verb. Means how mother cooks. She cooks well. Enjoyed the movie. Gone to school. And works in a factory. Shouted loudly. So this is again adverb. Shouted loudly. Adverb when means it is not object. Loudly is not object here. It is adverb telling the quality of the verb. Or okay, adding information to the verb. So when the sentence is in the form of adverb, even then it is intransitive verb. I usually sleep late. I love to dance. Spelling D-A-N-C-E on book it is already given. You are to fill on the blanks. So you can check it. They heard her song. Shruti goes for a walk every morning. Then 3 forms of the verb. The most interesting part of this video. 3 forms of the verbs. Exactly, student. We know the forms of the verb and we read the forms of the verb in all classes. But we never pay attention, we never pay heed that these forms are also called present form, past form or past participle form. If in paper a question comes that write the past participle form of the carry, then student get confused. They write either second form or first form. Means here student we miss because we directly learn the forms without writing. Means whenever you are learning the forms on notebook you write present form is first form of the verb, past form is second form of the verb, past participle form is third form of the verb. Then you learn these forms and it is very important to know the forms of the verb. Like around 40 example I have written. You can write more if you like. And whenever you are reading any lesson, you can circle some verbs from there and you can keep on making your list around 300 action words if you know. It will be very easy for you to speak English. Then speak, spoke, spoken, go, went, gone, cook, cooked, cooked, change, changed, changed, call, called, called, dig, dug, dug, cut, cut, cut. 3 forms are same. Put, 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 choose, chose, chosen, carry, carried, carried, think, thought, thought, arise, arose, arisen, awake, awoke, awoken, begin, began, begun, white, bit, bitten, do, did, done, drink, drank, drunk, play, played, played, reach, reached, reached, speak, spoke, spoken, teach, taught, taught. If any of the verb is repeated, you can leave that. Come, came, come. Then stay, stayed, stayed. Work, worked, worked. Finish, finished, finished. Sing, sang, sung. Have, had, had. Be, was, been. Find, found, found. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Feel, felt, felt. Catch, caught, caught. Tell, told, told. Hit, hit, hit. This is all about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.